Alright, to start making lasagna roll-ups, the first step is you need to boil the lasagna noodles according to the directions on the package. Once you have that started, next, cook some ground beef or pork. I've got a mixture of the two, at least 1 pound. You can go more than that if you want. Once that's cooked and drained of grease, add a jar of red sauce, tomato sauce, or 28 ounces of pasta sauce from scratch. I'm adding a teaspoon of garlic paste and a tablespoon of tomato paste. That tomato paste will allow it to thicken. Next, I'm gonna create a bechamel. First, start by making the roux. 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour. Wait until the roux forms, becomes slightly golden brown. Then mix in 2 cups of milk. Keep whisking and mixing as you're heating it up going along. Gonna add a dash of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, a dash of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Heat to almost a boil. Add 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm gonna add an 8-ounce bag of shredded mozzarella. Keep stirring. Next, in an 8x8 pan, grease the bottom or put spaghetti sauce in the bottom to prevent the noodles from sticking. Put down some wax paper on a clean surface. This is going to get messy. Lay 2 strips of noodles down at a time and start to layer the bechamel cheese sauce, then the meat sauce. Loosely roll them up and start stacking them side by side in the 8x8 pan until full. I was able to do 4x4 for 16 lasagna roll-ups in total. Put any remaining sauce and cheese that you have left over on top. Top with some shredded cheese of your choice. I'm using some Colby and Monterey Jack shredded mixture. I also added a little bit of grated Parmesan on top for taste. Next, cover with foil and cook in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Then, remove the foil. Optional, add a little bit more shredded cheese. Then cook 10 more minutes until golden brown and bubbly on top. Then, voila, cheesy roll-ups. Sure to please even the pickiest Italian lovers. My family loves this recipe. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks for watching Randy's Family Kitchen. See you next time.